Welcome to my channel. I'm Tandy. If you like this makeup look, just stay tuned. I'm taking my CoverFX blurring primer and putting that all over my face for a good prime prep skin. Next, I'm going in with my setting powder because Jackie Aina taught me best. I got some on my eyebrow. Let's get rid of that and dust off everything else while we're at it. Going in with my Maybelline FitMe foundation. I really like this foundation. It's really good for the winter for me. Then setting that with my powder foundation and highlighting the face with my concealer. Set that concealer in place. Dust it off and sculpt. Now it's time to go in with my City Color Contour Palette, and I'm just buffing that out all over my face, snatching that nose. You know how we do. Let's move on to the eyes. I have the NYX Ultimate Bright palette on the crease of my eyes. I really like this palette. The shadows blend really good. NYX is really, really affordable for good quality products too. So I'm just going on that outer V, darkening it up with a darker purple. You guys know I love the color purple. Next, I'm cutting my crease, just smoothing all of that out so that I can set it with the ColourPop Golden State of Mind palette. And for this outer V here, you guys, you see this purple and pink shade that I'm buffing in. That's actually that No Name palette from Boxy last month that, yeah, we're just not going to talk about it. Next, we're doing blush. I'm using the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in the shade Prim Vixen. And for highlight, I might as well go in with my Naked Holographic Highlighting Palette because why not have a purple highlight too? For the center of my face, I'm going to take this very used and very loved WetnWild highlight. For lips, I am mixing 2 liquid lippies and going back over with that same purple highlight on my cheeks right over my lips for a multi-dimensional effect. And that is it, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.